Ooh, baby, this meat's tender. Serious umami happening here. You've got richness, you've got funk, you've got just like delicious meat. Hi, welcome to Chicago Magazine's In the Kitchen. Today we are making miso marinated lamb chops from Chef Gene Cato at Momotaro. I think this counts as a balanced dinner because it's literally just meat. First things first, we're gonna make our marinade. Very simple little marinade to throw together. Some sake, brown sugar, a whole little chunk of red miso, some mirin, and some gochujang. This is a fermented chili paste that's used often in Korean cooking. It's also gonna add to the kind of redness of this whole endeavor. As you can see, the miso is a little chunky. You can probably make it less chunky. You're gonna get it to a point where all the ingredients are a little bit combined. The miso will start to melt in here, and you're gonna simmer it on low for about 20 minutes until it's nice and thick and reduced. Okay, so this has gone for about 20 minutes, and now you can see it's nice and thick and syrupy and all well incorporated. We're gonna get it all into a bowl. Then we're gonna just put this in the fridge for about 20 minutes so it can cool, and then we can handle it a little more. Our marinade is cooled down, cool enough to touch and handle. I'm gonna get started on coating our little baby lamb chops. Just gonna pour a little bit of this marinade into this bowl. Then I'm gonna take a single chop, coat it up, make sure to get it nice and covered in this miso marinade. Once they're all done, they'll go into the fridge for about 24 hours. So this is a good thing to get started on and make for dinner tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and coat all of them and sit and wait for a while. Oh my God, we've been here for 24 hours waiting for these lamb chops to be ready. What we've got set up here is we've got a cookie sheet filled with about a third of the way up with water. And then on top of it, we've got just your standard kind of cooling rack. Basically, we're making a grill in the broiler. We've got a few of these lamb chops here. Just gonna lay them. And while we were waiting for that 24 hours, we preheated the oven to broil. Now we're gonna pop these in there. You want them to go about 3 or 4 minutes on each side. You want a nice little caramelization happening, kind of medium rare on the inside. All right, let's get ready to eat. We're serving ours today with some rice and scallions. Ooh, ooh, ooh. I've definitely done a great, okay job. Let's eat. Ooh, baby, this meat's tender. This is good sign, good sign. This is great. The flavor of this marinade is unreal. It's got all these layers happening with the fermented flavors of both the miso and the gochujang, and a little bit of brightness from mirin and sake. Super satisfying. It's so tender and delicious, and I'm going to eat all of this now. Goodbye.